This is Chandan. Today I'm going to solve one array problems from leetcode. So there I just open that array problems and let's open one problem number 11, which is medium type container with most water. So there is a given problem which if you are given an integer array height of length n, there are n verticals of lines like this one drawn such that two endpoints of ith lines and I0 and I comma height. So find two lines together of x-axis from a container such that the container contains return the maximum amount of the water. So we need to find a maximum amount of water how that container forms. Suppose first line is first one, and when we store that water with these lines, so there will be a very less number of water contained. So we need to find a maximum number of height of that, so maximum, and that from the last one, so maximum with maximum second border. So that times we can find most contain water. Like if we have a small width, then it will contain less water, and if we have maximum width with large line or long line, then it will contain most of the waters. So to solve that problem, so we just need to find whatever the maximum length of that line, and then we just need to multiply with that width, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So height into width equal to area of that water. So let's find out using brute force approach. So let's write down the code. So we just need to list of integer. So height, we just need to find the height, and also need to store a max water. So in this variable we can store that whatever the maximum area we covered, we just need to store. If there is a less number of area discovered, we do not need to update that variable. So for I in range n, and for j in range. So there I am taking two loops to iterate, to fix one line and iterate second line. So it will provide that maximum number of border with that coverage area. So, and it will start from whatever the current line from the next, and will execute till the n number of element from the list. Okay. So let's find that width equal to, we just need to subtract from the right border from the left border, which is a n. Okay, and need to calculate the height. So height should be so we do not need to consider a maximum, we need to find a minimum. So only minimum line can contain the maximum water. So we just need to find the minimum of height of j. So it will find both line and find out that, let's see the area. So with multiply by height. Width into height, and after we just need to update that max water, or just find what is a max. So area and current maximum water, show max water. And after executing that rule, I just need to return the max water. Let's try to run, and what are the, yes, so problem is executed and solved. So this is a brute force approach, and we can also submit and solve with some alternate approach, which is little bit more optimized with the single loop. So there is a time limit. Okay, so let's solve with the two-pointer approach with the problem. So there is a left border, and which should be less than from the right, and just need to iterate. So find the width equal to right minus left, and a height minimum. You just need to find a minimum height, which will be a height of left and height of right. Maximum area, max area, height minimum. If height left, height right. So I just need to find whatever the maximum area contains, and then we need to traverse that what border should be updated or shrinked. So left plus equal to 1, else right. So if we have a right need to update, that times we need to subtract from that, because the right one is from last inside of that container. So just need to update that by subtracting that, and that max area or max water, we can say water and max water. And we just need to return that max water. And let's try to run that code. Where is height minimum and max water? Max water, what is the problem? Okay, height minimum is not defined. So height minimum So here you can see this is easily executed, and let's submit that code. Let's see what are the performance of that. bits 59 99 millisecond it taken. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.